YouTube, and thanks for joining me, Emma Louise Hamilton, at the Amazon Dream. I would like to say a big thank you to anybody who liked, commented or watched my last video, which was the free training on how to get started with Amazon FBA. If you have not seen that training, be sure to click the link in the info cards above and it will take you directly to it. This video is as a direct consequence of the free training, as people were asking exactly how to source products for Amazon FBA. So this is going to be a 3-part series covering exactly how. We will cover manual searches, sourcing software and sourcing services. This video is going to be concentrating on sourcing services. Sourcing services are ideal if you are just starting out or if you are looking for additional leads for your business. Sourcing services deliver deals to you on a daily basis. This is ideal if you are short on time and don't have the time to actually source products. It is also great if you don't know what a good deal looks like, as it will get you into the habit of finding out which deals are good ROIs and which deals are a good seller. Therefore, I highly recommend sourcing services if you are brand new to retail or online arbitrage. What I'm going to do now is show you online arbitrage deals, which is the sourcing service I recommend. I'm going to show you inside the portal just so you get a feel for how it works and what it looks like. So keep watching to find out more. Online arbitrage deals allows you to outsource the sourcing part of your business, meaning you no longer need to spend hours searching for deals, and it works by giving you access to this online portal. You can get up to 17 deals sent to you daily, which equals to 119 extra profitable leads per week for your business. This will save you time and money. I am now going to show you from top to bottom how the portal is set out. So firstly, we have suspension safeguard enabled. This is a free service that comes with online arbitrage deals, and it is vitally important. This means that your account is protected against getting suspended on Amazon, and if a suspension does occur, you have the comfort and reassurance to know that you will have one-to-one expert help. Secondly, we have the 24-hour deal flow. This means you are first to find out about the deal as it comes in. As a deal comes in, you will get notified. As you can see here, I have a deal that is due to come in 17 minutes. And throughout the day, I will get deals that automatically drop into my portal, and then I can go through and purchase that item if I so desire. Next, we have Buyback Pro links enabled. You can toggle this on and off. This means that when you click through to Amazon via this orange button here, it will automatically calculate everything you need to know about the deal, such as whether you are eligible to sell the item, the number of sellers on the listing, and also competitor stock analysis, where you will be able to see how many items your competitors have in stock. I will delve deeper into the Buyback Pro links enabled further on in the video. Now we are about to get into the real meaty part of online arbitrage deals. This section here allows you to filter through your deals based on several parameters. So firstly, you can filter through by store. You simply select the store that you want deals from, and then online arbitrage deals will automatically generate that for you in the search result. This is particularly useful if, say, you are ordering from Tesco and you need a few extra leads to meet the minimum order requirements. You can just come into online arbitrage deals, search via Tesco, and it will give you an extra few leads. Next, we have the maximum buy price. You can select the max buy price you want per item by simply toggling up or down. We also have minimum profit. If you want a minimum of £4 per profit, then you will put the cursor on 4, and then the only results that will show up are those with a minimum profit of £4. Next, we have minimum ROI. If there is a minimum return on investment that you require for your business, then you can just customize it to your needs. So enabling you to filter search results based on your specific parameters enables you to really customize the deals based on your personal buying criteria. As you can see, this is a real powerful tool that is embedded within online arbitrage deals. Now for the part you have all been waiting for, the deals. So I have toggled all my filters back to the default settings. This will enable me to view all my deals within the portal. So let's take the Solo Star Wars official guide as an example. Online arbitrage deals are provided a picture of what the product looks like. Then they have provided a link to the store where we can purchase this item from, and they tell us the buy price for the item, which is £4. Then we have a link to Amazon. This will take us directly to the product listing page on Amazon, and we can also see that this item is selling for $12.99. Scrolling across, we have a snapshot of Keeper. Having a glance, we can quickly see that this item has been selling well throughout December the 1st through to February the 15th. The second graph gives you the price variation. You can click on it and you can monitor the price the item has been selling for over a period of time. Further on, we can see that the profit for this item, if we sold it, will be £4.34. We also see a return on investment and the best sellers rank for this item, which is 1%. Scrolling further down, we then see that online arbitrage deals gives us further metrics about this item, such as the ASIN number, the category for this item, which is books, and books is a good category, as we know books is open to everybody to sell, and this just demonstrates that online arbitrage deals as a variety of products in a variety of different categories. Therefore, if you are gated in some categories, there will be other deals on the list which will be suitable for you. Secondly, we have the weight, the dimensions. Then we have the specific best sellers rank for this item, so we can see yes, it is 1% in this category, and it is also 13,000 within the category. So we know that number 1 indicates that it is the best seller within this category, but as it is in the top 1% and also 13,000 within this category, we know this is a good seller. Moving on, we can see the number of FBA sellers on this listing is 13 and the number of merchant fulfilled sellers is 2. Therefore, we can see online arbitrage deals gives us a great snapshot of the item. On the left hand side, we also have some key data which is similar to what was provided before, which is the sell price, source price, but more importantly it mentions the Amazon fees. So it is important to know your fees when selling, as you want to know the ultimate profit that you will be left with. So if we purchase this item, we can see that we would make a profit of £4.34. So this is how online arbitrage deals works. They send you deals daily and they break down everything that you need to know about this deal to make your buying decision. I am going to dive a bit deeper into the Buyback Pro links tab, which I mentioned earlier. When this toggle is enabled, you can click through to any Amazon product and Buyback Pro will analyse the information and give you a tailored decision on whether to buy the item or not based on your specific Amazon seller account. I have found a product of interest. What I'm going to do now is click through to Amazon with the Buyback Pro toggle enabled to show you what happens. Once we click through, Buyback Pro automatically analyses the deal and Buyback Pro automatically puts in the buy price that we can buy the item for, which they have taken off online arbitrage deals, and they have automatically put in the sell price, which is the price we're going to sell it for. As we scroll down, we can see that Buyback Pro says this is a good deal at 68%, and it also breaks down all the costs for us and tells us our profit margins. More importantly, Buyback Pro can give us specific information tailored to our Amazon sellers account. So for example, as you can see here, it will tell you if you are eligible to sell the item or not. Additionally, it will tell you if an item is hazmat. As we know, if an item is hazmat, then you cannot send it into the Amazon Fulfillment Center to be sold via Amazon FBA. Additionally, if we scroll down, Buyback Pro will also give us powerful statistics about other sellers. It will actually tell us how many items a competitor has in stock. So here we can see one seller has 5 items, and then you just go down the list and you can see how many items each seller has in their inventory. This is mightily important because as we see, this item sells roughly 14 items per month, and then if we add up the stock of the other sellers, we can see that there is about 1 month's supply of this item in stock via Amazon FBA. Therefore, this may be a listing that we target, as we know that within a month all the Amazon FBA sellers will be sold out. Therefore, we will have our chance to sell this item. What we could do now is buy the item, send it into Amazon. We could either price match with the lowest Amazon FBA seller. Alternatively, we could price our items higher and then sell our items once these lower priced sellers have sold out. This demonstrates how seamlessly Buyback Pro works with online arbitrage deals and takes you that step closer to automating the sourcing element of your business. Buyback Pro is an additional service, however it is well worth it if you are going to get online arbitrage deals due to the integration of the software. Online arbitrage deals is a monthly service you can cancel at any time. All deals have at least £3 profit, and I have personally had some that have a £20 plus profit. It is worth noting that to fully benefit from the service, it is best that you have at least £500 to invest in stock to make the most out of your subscription. To gain access to the portal and test out online arbitrage deals for yourself, simply click the link in the description box. I will also include some discount codes so you can get some money off. I hope you found this video on how to source deals using sourcing services useful. I would love to know how you are currently finding your deals, so be sure to put a link down below in the comments section telling me exactly how. I have now released the Amazon 5-figure retail and online arbitrage course, which is aimed at helping you make your first sales on Amazon. It also includes a one-to-one coaching session with myself, so be sure to click the link in the description box to find out more. I've been Emily Louise Hamilton. If you have enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you are notified when I next release a video. Many thanks for watching. Take care for now. Bye.